Welcome back to Making Melodies. This is exercise number 2, and I'll put the notation on the screen there. And you'll see on string number 2, we're going to be fretting the 1st fret, and on the middle string we'll be fretting the 2nd fret. What I would advise for this, to make things nice and easy, is use your index finger to fret the 2nd string at the 1st fret, and then use your middle finger to fret the middle string at the 2nd fret. And try and keep those fingers hovering not too far above the strings, just so you've got easy access for fretting at a moment's notice. So we'll set the metronome at 60 beats a minute. If you want to pause the video now and have a quick go at this yourself, and then come back in just a moment and we'll play through it together. Okay, let's play through it together now, 60 beats. And now we'll count us in. We'll play through this 2 times and then we'll make it a bit more challenging. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 'Okay, so if you recognise that melody, that's from the movie Deliverance, Dueling Banjos. So what we'll do now, we'll take that melody and we will add some drive to it using that 5th string. So all we're going to do on this second part of this exercise is we're going to play the same melody again, exactly the same, but after each note we strike, we're going to add in a 5th string pluck with our thumb on the up beat. So first I'll do a quick playthrough of how we've just played it, followed by a playthrough of it with the 5th string. So it should sound like this. Okay, so all we're going to do is focus on that second part now, where we're adding the 5th string note in after each string being plucked. So the metronome is set again. We'll play through this 4 times. If you make a mistake, don't worry about it. Just try and jump back in whenever you can. Okay. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 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 'Okay, what we'll do now, we'll just add a little bit more of a challenge to it, and we will speed the metronome up from 60 beats a minute to, let's go for 90 beats a minute. Don't worry if you can't keep up, but we'll give it a good try anyway. 90 beats a minute, same exercise, 4 times. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and one, 2 and 3, 4 and excellent. If you managed to keep up with that, good work. If you didn't, don't worry about it. Just focus on, you know, just getting the hang of. Don't worry about speed at this stage. Timing is more important than speed. So when you get a nice timing, that's a technique called double thumbing. And I'll see you on exercise number 3.